mag mag-special session kayo. Mami, ay dino-notify kayo. Meron ako yung pagkagawa for next week dahil sa crisis. Anyway, thank you. Welcome to our second local health board meeting for 2026. And third. Ito pala. Third. Now, Director Padilla, do we have a quorum?
Yes, Mr. Mayor, we do have a quorum and we acknowledge the presence of the staff from Hospital ng Maynila and the staff from UNED.
Okay. Now, before we continue with our item, I would like to thank Hospital ng Maynila last night. Please extend my gratitude to our frontliners in the evening shift who accommodated the incident happened in one of our institutions. I'm happy, rest assured that alam namin yung ginawa ninyo, and I'm really proud of you guys addressing these kids in a critical moment or life-threatening situation, incident sa institution nila. So thank you very much. Please extend my gratitude to our medical frontliners duty last night or yesterday. So again, we are now on, let's go now to regular item.
First item, Mayor. Mayor, we do have